This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com with a quick video for the weekend of April 14th, 2019 when I'm recording this. So let's take a look here, and I want to show you that at the end of the week we see that Ally Financial is breaking out above the prior all-time monthly closing high at 29.10, which is this monthly closing high from January 2018. So we can see from a price breakout, as long as the stock can sustain above this level, then that's good. Visually, it would be similar to this period where we have this breakout and we see prices moving higher. Here, or we can even take this monthly closing high after 1 month of rest. There's another breakout here. Now there is a difference, this is what I want to discuss in this video, between the two breakouts. So between this breakout here and this current breakout. Here it met the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout, and here it does not meet the minimum requirement with the current breakout. What I mean by that is, and I have a link in the description of the video about what I'm talking about here, and we can see here that there was a move to 3-year highs on the RSI. There was a move to 3-year highs here on the MACD, and we can also see the other MACD was moving to 3-year highs. So definitely that breakout met the minimum requirements as of mid-2017. Now compare that to the current breakout. Number one, we are not moving to 3-year highs on the RSI, and none of the MACDs is breaking out to 3-year highs minimum. In other words, the current breakout does not meet the minimum requirement for a quality breakout, which means chances of failure and a slow moving move that eventually fails is very high. In other words, even if we go on to improve in prices and trade higher, the problem here is because we don't meet the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout, odds are eventually this is gonna stall, in my opinion. So the best thing to do is just draw a line, and the best thing would be to watch the 2018 monthly closing high, 291010. In other words, a failed breakout, given that the stock does not meet the minimum requirements, is where one can determine that this is not working out. Breakout does not meet the minimum requirements, so any movement back below this price is a reason to get out. Otherwise, in my opinion, because the stock does not meet the minimum requirement of the ultimate Muathe breakout, this is not going to be the most successful breakout out there. Just my opinion. We'll see how it goes. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S. Yes.